Welcome everyone to Cooking with Sadiq, a show produced by the incarcerated to showcase the talents of chefs that are incarcerated. My name is Derell Davis and I go by Sadiq. I've had a passion for cooking since I was 11 years old. Around the holidays, I remember my mother used to want me to help prepare meals for our family. I used to also go with my stepdad to our other family members' houses to help prepare food as well. This is what inspired me to become a chef. I'm on a journey to find what inspires the chefs inside these walls. So everybody, we're finna go into my boy Coop house. Let's check it out. Coop, so my guy,
what's up,
how you
Sadiq?
doing?
I was waiting on you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Good.
All right, what you doing up here?
Just right here chilling with my dog Paytas.
Our chef is a part of the dog handling program here at San Quentin. He's also a great artist. As you can see, it's apparent when you walk into his cell. This not only showcases his talent, but gives us an inside look into his personality. Tell me a little bit about yourself, man.
Yeah, my name's Meikal Cooper. I'm originally from Southern California. I've been incarcerated for 18 years and I've been here at San Quentin for 2 years.
Okay, so what are we doing here today?
So today we're gonna be making an Oreo Reese's peanut butter cup cheesecake for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's important to me because on the streets, you know, it's a time of year that you get together with your family, you break bread. Although my family's not gonna be here with me on Thanksgiving, I'm gonna break bread with my neighbors and show my friends that they're thought of. For the dudes that don't have it, for the dudes that do have it, they're more than welcome to come by, get a piece of this cheesecake.
Here's a list of the ingredients needed to make this dessert. So what we finna start off doing, Coop?
So first I'm gonna start with the cream cheese filler. I placed about 9 of these cream cheese packets in this bowl. I'm gonna finish go ahead and doing that.
Okay.
I'm gonna put about 15 sweet and low sugars. All right. Put a little bit of lemon juice, not too much.
So what's the lemon juice for?
It adds like a little bit of like, you ever had real cheesecake has that little bit of like lime acidity taste to it. So that's what that is for, just a little bite. I'm gonna mix that up. And then this is what we thicken the filler with. It's just a little bit of creamer. You pour a little bit in there at first and get it stirring up. It starts to really get thick the more creamer you add.
I can see that.
So if you're not working out, I advise you start working out before you go ahead and make this cheesecake.
You hear that, fellas? Get your back arms up.
So what went in here was the cream cheeses, a little bit of lemon juice, the creamer, and then also too, we're gonna add the centers of the duplex cookies.
How many duplex cookies do you use?
So I use 2 containers of it. So now what we got for the crust is all those duplex cookies. I took the center out of the sugar, threw it in the cream cheese filling. So I threw all that in there. I'm gonna take these Oreos, crush them up best as I can at first.
Like I said before, you gotta have back arm. So get your back arm up, fellas.
Might have to use the people's elbow on it a couple times. So in prison, we don't have no big fancy bowls, so we gotta use trash bags. But don't worry, they're clean. So we'll just go ahead and start crushing all these cookies up. You could imagine a pie crust, that's what we're trying to get it to.
Okay.
It's a pie crust. So I don't do it too much, but I do like to get it good enough. All right, so now we got that crushed up. We're gonna go ahead and add, I have a little bit of cinnamon, about a half a stick of butter, and 2 packs of syrup that I'm gonna add to solidify all this together, make it stick. Go ahead and start mixing this up.
You ever heard anything about healing with food, like food for the soul?
So for me, healing with food would mean, you know, like you ever take a bite of something and it just brings you back to those memories of when you were a kid? So for me, it puts that happiness on my face. It brings me back to when I was a child, before I was incarcerated. It makes me think about my family, makes me think about the community, and it makes me think of how I can move in a positive direction today, so for sure.
And it's like the final stages of making the crust.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's just about flattening it out,
Okay.
getting it. All right, so now that we got the crust done, we're gonna go ahead and add the cheesecake filler to it. Kind of wanna not just let it glob in one area, a little bit here, a little bit there.
Or the Reese pieces.
So now that we got the cheesecake filler on there, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle the Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups on it. Try to get them evenly. I think Sadiq ate a couple.
Yeah, I had to. I'm sorry. I told you it's my favorite candy.
Next, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of peanut butter in the center.
Drizzle it all on there. How many packs of peanut butter you use?
You know, I was gonna use 2, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use 1.
Okay.
I don't want to overpower the peanut butter,
Okay.
overpower the flavor of everything else. There we go. All right, so now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna roll it on up, just like a Swiss roll. Bam.
I see it.
All right.
Ooh, that's
Bam.
dope.
One more time. Bam. All right, get it nice and straight. Boom. Now.
It seems like you can smell everything in it too. The cinnamon, the toffee that's in it, the syrup, the chocolate, the peanut butter.
All right, so the cheesecake tamales are done. I just pulled them out the fridge. I had them in there for a couple hours. Go ahead and try one, Sadiq.
Ooh, moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Okay. Hey, look at it. Look at that thing. Let me see. Oh, this is A1 right here. Here's him. The meals shared with our families, especially around the holidays, is something we try to bring in here and share with our friends. Community is something we all search for, and you can find it even in here, in prison. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is an episode of Cooking with Sadiq, live with Coop. Appreciate y'all for being here.
Thank you, Sadiq.
Thank you.